Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your speaker to the application you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and then as you can see it asks for update, so you can click more, or you can click at the settings icon at the right top and go to update firmware. Right here, firstly we need to click download and then click install. Now don't use your speaker, just wait until this update is finished. And now I'm going skip time for you, and then I will show you how to successful update look. It just restarted when it stopped to installing this update, and then you just click OK, and we did it. Now let's move to the settings and to update firmware, and we have the last software version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.